To hack your mind, all you need to do is to understand what an insight is. My name is Ricky Ramos, and this is Hack Your Mind to Generate Creative Ideas. Ready? As a brand consultant, you'll be asked to generate ideas daily. Now scratch that. Insights daily. An idea is a thought with an objective. An insight is ideas converge into a spectrum that generates something new. There are times you will feel that you lack ideas to generate. But don't worry, there's a hack I'm going to teach you. All you have to do is be open to curiosity and trust the things that you love. For example, I love interior design. It has nothing to do with brand strategy, yet I love it. And what I do when I need an idea is go to that thing that I love, look at videos, books, magazines, with that objective in mind that you had for your brand. Don't forget it. And just digest that content that you love. And you'll find at one key moment, you'll find that insight and idea that you were needing. As a brand consultant, I'm asked to generate ideas daily. And there's a system that I use. It's called the anatomy of an insight. An anatomy of an insight has 3 parts. It has content, the information available to you. It has profession, your studies, what you've learned. And it has delight, the things that you love. In order to generate an insight, all you have to do is find the connecting links that converge between them. Here's how we sold a value-added pack for a beer brand in 2 months. Stella Artois was my client in the past. And what we did was use the system to generate a new idea for them to sell their cases of beer. So first, we had the content, the information available to you. What we knew was, of course, the brand, the supermarket where our shopper shopped. What was the problem, which was that they couldn't carry 2 cases of beers, which the brand wanted to sell. Then you have your profession, which is basically the marketing steps, right? In marketing steps, you have to understand your shopper. In this case, we knew the brand was female skewed. And then you have your delight, the things that you love. In this case, one thing about me is that I love going to picnics. I usually take a tote bag, put all my stuff in it, take my tote bag, go to the picnic. So what I said, why not create a tote bag that specifically fits in 2 cases of beer, that has an insulated bag inside and can carry 2 cases with ease. So that's exactly what we did. You find the links, you get the connections, and you get your idea. It was a successful campaign and idea because not only did we generate sales for the client, but this bag and value-added pack is now sold worldwide. So that campaign and idea was sourced by the fact that I love going to picnics. That is the hack. The hack is using your delights and the things that you love in order to generate ideas. And I know sometimes you cannot step out of the office. What I do is I go to my Pinterest boards and I find the things that I love there. I spend some time, a minute or 2, and understand something that attaches to the objective that I have. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you found it interesting, don't forget to like and share so we can get our ideas out there and reach more people. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to get updates on when we release new content. And if you like extra tips and tricks, be sure to check the links below and follow me on all my social networks to stay updated with all the new content we put out there every week. I'm Ricky Ramos, coming to you from some exciting place in the world. See you soon.